Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the refreshing world of watercress, a humble yet powerhouse leafy green that packs a punch of surprising health benefits. From boosting your immune system to supporting radiant skin and even aiding weight loss, watercress is nature's secret weapon for optimal health. Today, we will talk about 10 surprising health benefits of watercress. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. 1. Packed with nutrients, particularly vitamin K. Watercress is low in calories but packs a vast array of nutrients. Nutrient density is a measure of the nutrients a food contains in relation to how many calories it provides. Therefore, watercress is an extremely nutrient-dense food. In fact, it's ranked number 1 on the U.S. Centers for Disease Control's Powerhouse Fruits and Vegetables list. 2. High antioxidant content may lower your risk of chronic diseases. Watercress also contains small amounts of vitamin E, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and copper. Watercress is packed with plant compounds called antioxidants that protect against cell damage caused by free radicals, which are harmful molecules that lead to oxidative stress. Oxidative stress has been associated with several chronic illnesses, including diabetes, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. Fortunately, diets high in antioxidant-rich foods like watercress can help protect against oxidative stress, which may lower your risk of these diseases. One study on the antioxidant compounds in 12 different cruciferous vegetables found over 40 unique flavonoids, a type of plant chemical, in watercress. In fact, watercress outperformed all other vegetables in this study in terms of total amount of phenols and the ability to neutralize free radicals. What's more, studies have linked the antioxidants in watercress to a lower risk of cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. 3. Contains compounds that may prevent certain types of cancer. Because watercress is high in phytochemicals, it may reduce your risk of developing certain types of cancer. Watercress and other cruciferous vegetables contain glucosinolates, which are activated to compounds called isothiocyanates when they're cut with a knife or chewed. Isothiocyanates include chemicals such as sulforaphane and phenethyl isothiocyanate, PITC. These compounds protect against cancer by safeguarding healthy cells from damage, inactivating carcinogenic chemicals, and blocking the growth and spread of tumors. Isothiocyanates found in watercress have been shown to prevent colon, lung, prostate, and skin cancers. Additionally, research demonstrates that the isothiocyanates and sulforaphane found in watercress suppress the growth of breast cancer cells. 4. Beneficial for heart health in many impressive ways. Eating watercress may be beneficial for heart health in several different ways. Watercress is a cruciferous vegetable. Watercress is part of the cruciferous family of vegetables. A diet high in cruciferous vegetables may benefit heart health. A review of studies in over 500,000 individuals linked eating cruciferous vegetables to a 16% reduced risk of heart disease. Antioxidants improve heart health. Watercress contains the antioxidants beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, and lutein. Low levels of these carotenoids are associated with heart disease and high blood pressure. Studies have shown that high levels of carotenoids not only protect against the development of heart disease, but also lower your risk of heart attack and strokes. 5. Mineral and vitamin K contents protect against osteoporosis. Watercress contains many minerals necessary for bone health, including calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Though calcium is well known for its effects on bone health, magnesium, vitamin K, and potassium also play important roles. A balanced diet high in nutrient-dense vegetables is correlated with a positive effect on bone health. Additionally, 1 cup, 34 grams of watercress provides more than 100% of the RDI for vitamin K. Vitamin K is a component of osteocalcin, a protein that makes up healthy bone tissue and helps regulate bone turnover. In one study, people with the highest intake of vitamin K were 35% less likely to experience a hip fracture than people with the lowest intake. 6. Boosts immune function thanks to high vitamin C levels. Watercress contains 15 milligrams of vitamin C per cup, 34 grams, which is 20% of the RDI for women and 17% for men. Vitamin C is renowned for its beneficial effects on immune health. Deficiency in vitamin C has been linked to decreased immune function and increased inflammation. Vitamin C boosts your immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells that fight infections. Though studies in the general population have not conclusively shown that vitamin C decreases your risk of the common cold, it does reduce the duration of symptoms by 8%. 7. Nutrient density may aid weight loss. Though it hasn't been studied specifically, watercress may have benefits for weight management as well. It's an extremely nutrient-dense food. 1 cup, 34 grams, contains only 4 calories, but provides several important nutrients. If you're trying to lose weight, adding this nutritious, low-calorie vegetable to your diet is certainly worth a try. 8. Dietary nitrates may enhance athletic performance. Vegetables in the Brassicaceae family contain high levels of dietary nitrates. Nitrates are compounds found naturally in foods such as beets, radishes, and leafy green vegetables like watercress. They relax your blood vessels and increase the amount of nitric oxide in your blood, which may improve exercise performance. What's more, dietary nitrate lowers resting blood pressure and reduces the amount of oxygen needed during exercise, which may increase exercise tolerance. Several studies on dietary nitrates from beets and other vegetables have demonstrated improved exercise performance in athletes. However, a small study in healthy individuals taking 100 grams of watercress daily for 7 days found that watercress increased carbon dioxide production during exercise, which may have a negative impact on performance. While a considerable amount of research indicates that dietary nitrates may enhance exercise performance, conclusive evidence that watercress improves athletic performance is lacking. 9. Rich in carotenoids and vitamin C, which may protect eye health. Watercress contains lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidant compounds in the carotenoid family. Numerous studies have shown that lutein and zeaxanthin are essential for eye health. In particular, they protect your eyes against damage from blue light. Lutein and zeaxanthin have also been linked to a lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Furthermore, the vitamin C in watercress is associated with a lower risk of developing cataracts as well. 10. Versatile addition to any meal. Watercress can be used in a wide variety of dishes. However, to get the most benefits from its active antioxidant compounds, it's best eaten raw or lightly steamed. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.